One of the most commonly asked questions is, can you install the gray InnoFlue outdoors? The short answer is yes. The long answer is that both gray and black InnoFlue have passed all 47 tests required for UL listing, including the ASTM G23-81 UV Stability test. The black components are available in certain sizes for enhanced resistance in extreme UV environments, and some prefer the black components for their lower profile aesthetics. But both gray and black can be installed outdoors. If neither color suits you, InnoFlue can also be painted. Just wipe the vents and fittings clean and use a paint with an adhesion promoter and pick any color you like. If you have any questions, get in touch with Centrotherm.